Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today I'm playing an indie game made in Unity called Parking Paradise. Already it's intriguing me. Looks okay. I will leave a link in the description below for you to have a go yourself if you want to. I'm not quite sure what to expect, to be honest, simply because you don't really see many games which describe themselves as parking, especially when it comes to Paradise. I'm not quite sure what relation both of those words have, but it describes itself as a one-stop place for, what did it say? I've lost it now. One-stop shop for parking pleasure. Whatever that means. Okay, well, I'm just going to start. I should probably look at the controls, or better yet, I probably should have clicked okay, how to play. Accelerate, W or up, brake, steering, gear up, shift, gear down, control. Okay, so that was probably what I should have done. So, there we go. Retry. So shift. So I'm guessing I've got to avoid the okay. Okay. There we go. I'm not doing very well here. I'm running out of time. Well, crashed into the car. Oh, I'm supposed to park there. Okay, let me try that again. Let me try that again. So, shift into drive, and let's go. This is really difficult. It does say on the page, though, it does have support for a controller. And I suspect this may be... hang on. I suspect it may be easier with a controller. Because clearly I'm not very good at this. Parking bay was here, so do I just kind of, there we go, done. What? I completed it in 35 seconds with 2 collisions. I'm sure I can do better than that. In fact, I know I can do better than that, and I think you guys can. Let's try the next level. Careful. Okay. Hang on, I'm not even doing anything yet. I need to reverse. Okay, now drive. There's the... Oh, come off it. Come on. So drive. The car is actually very hard to control, if I'm honest. No, I need to reverse. No, reverse. Reverse! Come on, let's go. Drive. Yeah, okay, I'm getting there. I wonder how many levels there actually are. It did say 5. Oh, did I hit that barrier then? I think I did. Okay, so it's simplistic in that sense. It's kind of cool. Maybe you guys should give that a go, see if you can beat mine. I feel like going really... Okay. Parallel parking. Yeah, I misjudged that one. Can I restart? Then we go to the main menu. Oh, so we restart right there. Okay, start game. Great. I might leave it here. There's not much more I can show you, I don't think. I think it's all just basically this. Okay, so... Whoa, I didn't even touch it! Sort your physics at me. Oh, come off it. Okay. I'm going to leave it there. Bonus. Okay. I might carry on with this at some point. Yeah, that was Parking Paradise, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't. I know it was a pretty short one here, but something to pass the time, I guess. It's not too bad. Definitely not the worst game I've ever played. Like I say, links in the description below if you want to have a go. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't, but let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. I always like to know. So yeah, this has been Parking Paradise. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Guys, thank you very much for watching.